Whistle register, wow. I think of Mariah Carey, I think of Minnie Riperton, I think of women who can sing crazy high notes. You aren't generally going to use those in worship singing particularly. Whistle tones can be an interesting color to add to pop music if you're trying to really show off your range. Whistle register is way high. It's above high C. Generally from a high C, maybe up to high A, A6. Think of the Queen of the Night solo from the Magic Flute. But physically, whistle tones involve only using part of your vocal cord. Part of it is actually zipped up, if you will. And the registration that you're using is similar to a whistle. It's all sort of an ooh up that high. They are found mostly in female vocals, although I did just find a guy on YouTube who knows how to do it, so it is possible for guys to access this as well. Whistle tones. Now let's talk about how to strengthen these different registers for your use.